Hey guys, welcome back to Kylie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare this amazing soursop juice with ginger. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kylie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's KylieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Kylie J's Kitchen. So here I have my amazing soursop. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and break it in two halves, alright? And when you break your soursop in two halves, normally there is this thing on the inside. Some persons call it the heart of the soursop. You always want to remove that, alright? You don't want to juice your soursop with all of that. Alright, but guys, go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you call that part on the inside of the soursop. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and we're just going to grate some of our ginger to the soursop. And listen guys, we're not going to use any blender at all. We're going to use our hand as the blender. Alright, so this should be amazing. Really easy, really simple, and it tastes so good. Listen guys, you have to try it, alright? So leave a comment in the comment section if you try it and let me know how it tastes, alright? So once you go ahead and you grate all of that niceness, the ginger that is, you just want to go ahead and pour some water over this, alright? You don't want to pour too much water at once because you don't want it to be too watery, alright? Soursop juice should never be too watery, alright guys? So once you're combining everything together, if it starts to get a little bit too thick, then you know you can just go ahead and add some more water, alright? Always remember, you want to extract all of that flavor, all of that juice from both the soursop and from the ginger as well, alright? So you have to put some strength into this. Remember, you can always go ahead and get your ginger, your soursop at your local supermarket or grocery store. Remember, you can always go ahead and check your farmer's market, guys, and you will get fresh fruits and vegetables there. You will get your ginger there as well, and you will also get soursop there, all right? Always remember, guys, to have your strainer nearby. And I know some person's going to ask, can we use the blender? Guys, you can use it, you know, but remember you have to take out the seeds, all right? But I think this method for me works better. And, you know, growing up, I always see my family members juice soursop, and this is the way that they do it. We never had blenders and all of that, you know. We just use our hand, and trust me, it was very good, all right? So as you can see, the juice is a little bit thick. So at this point, we can always go in and add some more water, right? Not a lot. Again, you don't want your juice to be too watery, all right? Soursop juice should never be too watery, all right, guys? So once you add the water, just gonna continue to do the same thing. Just combine everything together, squeeze out that juice and all of that ginger flavor, all right? And as you can see, I just went ahead and just pick up my strainer, and we're just going to add some of the pulps to the strainer and try to get out all of that juice, all right? So basically we are halfway there. We are almost finished. So what we're going to do, we're going to strain this because we want to extract all of that juice, and you don't want any of the pulp or anything to be in your juice when you're having it, all right? So you guys can always go ahead and try to strain at least twice just to remove anything that is not supposed to be in your soursop juice, all right? And guys, just to be sure also, we're not going to add any sugar at all to our soursop juice, but if you guys want, you can go ahead and tip just a little bit of sugar to it. All right, it's up to you and what your taste bud can manage. All right, so once you strain all of that goodness, I'm gonna come back and serve this up and show you guys the final product of this amazing soursop juice with ginger. Stay tuned, guys. I'm so excited, and I hope you guys are excited as well. Alright guys, so here you have it, the final product of my amazing soursop and ginger juice. So we're just gonna serve this up ice cold, and I hope you guys enjoy today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe to my channel and remember to turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye guys, and thank you again.